right at the beach. Oh my goodness. I want to do, how about Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica? Let's see, how can all those guys do Kokomo? Now, let me think. How about, Kokomo? How about, let's see, how about a Kokomo? I wonder what's inside. How about, Kokomo? I can do it all together. Come on. We could all do a Kokomo at Jamaica.
No, you can do better than that. Gee, I just wish I had more time to do the things I enjoy. Shucks. I think I'm just gonna drive round and around and around and around and around. Excuse me? But where is everyone?
So, Eggman's behind this, huh? No way! Okay, let's move it!
Professor Pickle's been kidnapped? It can't be. Professor Pickle! Are you all right? We got here as fast as we could.
Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you. Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go? Jamaica, off the Florida Keys. There's a place called Kokomo. That's where you wanna go to get away from it all. Bodies in the sand, tropical drink melting in your hand. We'll be falling in love to the rhythm of a steel drum band. Down in Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica, oh, I wanna take you to Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go down to Kokomo? We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go, way down in Kokomo. To meet that Montserrat mystique, we'll put out to sea, and we'll perfect our chemistry. By and by we'll do fine, a little bit of gravity. Afternoon delight, cocktails and moonlit nights. That dreamy look in your eye, give me a tropical contact high. Way down in Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica, oh, I wanna take it to Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go down to Kokomo? We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go, way down in Kokomo. Oh, Prince, I wanna catch a glimpse. Everybody knows a little place like Kokomo. Now if you wanna go and get away from it all, go down to Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take it to Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go down to Kokomo? We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go, way down in Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take it to Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego.